Hi there! Have you ever tasted pork feet in your life? Well, it's about time! I have the perfect dish for you! First, you need 1 kilogram of pork feet, properly washed, please. Then, boil 1.5 liter of water. Then, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then, 2 slices of ginger. Also 1 shallot. And also 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. Now, add the pork feet. Stir a little bit. Then, boil it for around 15 minutes. During that time, chop 3 garlic cloves and 1 shallot. After 15 minutes, take out the pork feet and wash them properly with cold water. Then drain it. In a pot, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then 4 tablespoons of sugar. Cook it until it turns into caramel. Once done, add the minced shallot and garlic. And fry it a little bit. Then add the pork feet. Now stir evenly. The next step is adding 600 milliliters of water. 4 tablespoons of fish sauce. 1 tablespoon of pepper. Also 1 teaspoon of salt. And finally 1 tablespoon of dark sweet soya sauce. But if you don't have it, you can also replace it with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now mix it well to dissolve the seasoning. Now lower the heat to level 3. Then cover the pot and cook it for 45 minutes. Once done, take them out and serve it with steamed rice. Look at that. Oh, yum yum. Bon appétit!